I thought I would share my solid fuel and alcohol stoves with everybody. Up there behind the 2 bottles of methanol or heat in the yellow bottle is the Coghlan's survival stove. Yeah, and that's been modified to hold that titanium alcohol stove in it. So when you open that Coghlan's survival stove, that little guy right there is hot. And then up there, we've got the British folding hexamine or fire dragon stove, and then the Transgia tin, which has been using itself as storage for hexamine tablets. It's full. That little titanium alcohol stove been modified to fit in a Coghlan. I'll make a video on that. This little monster, I'm sure you've seen it. It's only about $15. See if you can find it on Amazon. This is the Transgia copy with a pot stand that comes with it. It really does okay. But if you're really gonna do it right, use the Transgia. Nothing can beat it. Never will. And then down here we got the Coghlan's hexamine stove. Yeah. These are all my alternative ways to cook when shit hits the fan.